Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nur Anissa binti Muhammad Fauzi. I am 60 years old. I am from Sekolah Menengah Arab As-Saidah Khadijah, Serkam Melimau, Melaka. My school code is MFT 1001. Today, I would like to review on a book from my favorite author, which is Empire from Temei Abdullah. Actually, there are three series of this book: Empire 1, Empire 2, and Empire 3. But I am going to review one of them, and it is Empire 1. First, this is a fantasy book and was published by Iman Publication. I highly recommend you to read this book because it is just like an amazing book. For those who like fantasy books so much, you must read it. Well, you can get this book on online shop or at the bookstore. Now, I would like to tell you about this book. This book called Empire, Putera Hikayat Tanpa Nama. The story is set in a religious institution called Madrasah Tamim Sari, where warriors are trained in both religious knowledge and martial arts. The students in this institution are known by numbers, such as Pelatih 1636, Pelatih X492, and Pelatih 6480 instead of their real names. One of the central conflicts involves Pelatih X492, who challenges Pahlawan 1636 in a debate about the punishment of Pelatih 6480, who was caught in a premarital relationship. This debate reveals issues with the management of the madrasah, and raises questions about the misuse of religious knowledge. The novel emphasizes that religious knowledge, like a weapon, can be used for good or evil, depending on the intention of those who wield it. When it used for good, it can fight against evil. But if in the wrong hands, it can destroy goodness. Empire also tackles terms such as religious manipulation, scholarly debates, and accepting differing opinions, all while delivering an engaging and thought-provoking narrative. This book offers several profound lessons. Here are some key teachings from the novel. Number 1, the responsibility of religious knowledge. The book teaches us that religious knowledge is essential, but it must be used with the right intentions. Religious knowledge should be applied for good, not for manipulation or to control others. It emphasizes that religious knowledge must be practiced responsibly, not just a symbol of power or superiority. Number 2, the dangers of religious exploitation. The novel highlights how religion can be misused by individuals or groups for personal gain or hidden agendas. It serves as a warning to be cautious of those who use religion as a tool for oppression or to deceive others. Overall, Empire 1 is not only an engaging story, but also encourage readers to reflect on the importance of knowledge, justice, and responsibility in daily life. That's the story. And now, let's rate the book. For the character, I would like to rate 5 over 5 because the character, which is Pelatih X492, is brave in making decisions. Overall, I rate this book 4.8 over 5 because I like to read a book with fantasy plot and character. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to my review. I hope my book review can encourage new readers to read this incredible book. Enjoy and happy reading. See you next time. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.